can use it every day. Actually, you can use it a couple of times a day if you want. It's quick and it's easy, and it's going to enhance your skincare routine. Gosh, what excites me, there are so many elements to it. The fact that you've got so many skincare treatments in one tiny, clever device. The fact that you can deliver moisture to your skin, you can address pigmentation, you can look at evening out the skin tones, and the combination of the 3 different LED light system is really going to enhance that youthful glow to your skin. Yeah, the UFO device is for everyone, any age type, any skin tone, and certainly males and females. I love so many things about the masks. The fact they've been developed by Korean skincare experts, the ingredients are really efficacious, it's so simple to use, and it's so quick to use, it's 90 seconds. I think the thing is, when it's paired with the device, it's not messy. You're not having to put a sheet mask on your face and wait for 10 minutes. It's quick, it's easy, you can put it in your pocket and take it to work with you. You know, we use all technologies in salon, and actually to have them combined into one device makes it far easier for us. So yes, I do use them now with my clients, and actually I give them one to take home with them. I've had such a good experience actually, it's so easy to use, and the reason it's called a smart mask is because it does all the work for you. When it's paired with the app, depending on the mask that you use, it will design the light, the pulsation and the temperature for you. All you have to do is put it on your skin for 90 seconds. It was so simple and easy.